Hey friends, if you wish to enable camera on the Firefox browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So right click on the, just open Firefox first of all. Click on the hamburger symbol at the top right corner, and then you can click on settings. Now go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to the permission section and there will be a section for camera. Click on settings. Okay, so interestingly, this can only be done for websites. Okay, so let us say the website is google.com, and you can make sure that there is no website in the exception list for which camera permissions have been disabled, and then you can click on save changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.